Good morning, my name is Akshita. Today I will be talking about Kruskal's algorithm, which is nothing but the minimum spanning tree. So when I talk about a minimum spanning tree, from the given graph, which is the undirected graph, which has some weights, so we would be calculating the minimum weights from the given tree. So let's consider one example and let's see how we can get a minimum spanning tree from the given graph. If you consider this graph, which is an undirected graph and also it has weights, so when it comes to MST using Kruskal's, we would be first sorting out the weights. We would check which is the minimum weight from one node to another node, and then also we would make sure that there are no cycles formed. So in this case, the first we will consider the node from A to D, which is 1, the least among all, and next again we would check which is the other edge which is comparatively smaller. In this example we can say from A to C there is one more condition which we need to check, which is that it should not form a cycle. We've already considered A to D. Next we'll consider A to C. Okay, and next the least is C to D. So we have already considered A to D. Now we have considered A to C, but if we consider C to D, which is of the weight 6, it would form a cycle. So we do not consider this particular edge. Moving on to the next one, which is from A to B. Again, we'll check if it forms a cycle. No, it doesn't. So we can consider from A to B, which is 14 in this example. And again, next we'll consider from B to C. As we've already considered A to C with the weight 2 and A to B with the weight 14, we cannot consider B to C because it would again form a cycle. Make sure that we traverse across all the nodes, and all the nodes are considered for building the minimum spanning tree. For this given example, these are the paths which we would consider, which is from A to D 1, A to C 2, A to B 14, and we have excluded other path which would form a cycle. So this is one possible MST which we got from particular graph. So we have one more example which is using a Prim's algorithm. It also gives a minimum spanning tree. The difference between the Prim's and Kruskal's is, in case of Kruskal's we consider the smallest weight, the shortest weight, but when it comes to Prim's, we would select one particular node and check which are the possible alternate nodes, and then again the condition remains the same. It doesn't form a cycle, and we can also have multiple possible minimum spanning tree from this algorithm. Thank you.